Hi friends, today through this video we are going to discuss the previous question paper of SET exam. Let us begin. First question, which character in Chaucer's general prologue was stout and brawny with a wart on his nose? Character stout and brawny with a wart on his nose. Options are the summoner, the monk, the miller, the padner. The answer is option C, the miller, whose excellent sonnets were the first to be linked by subject matter and theme. Options: Sir Thomas Wyatt's, Sir Philip Sidney's, Sir Edmund Spenser's, Sir Walter Raleigh's. The answer is option B, Sir Philip Sidney's. Third question, to whom is Spenser's sonnet sequence Amoretti addressed? To whom is Spenser's sonnet sequence Amoretti addressed? Options: to the Queen, to his secret lady love, to a working class friend, to his own wife. The answer is option D, to his own wife. Next question. In which play of Shakespeare does the following line occur? Uneasy lies the head that wears a crown. In which of the play of Shakespeare does the following line occur? Options are Julius Caesar, Henry V, Henry IV, Richard II. The answer is option C, Henry IV. Fifth question, what did the mystery plays deal with? Options: biblical themes, moral themes, medieval themes, philosophical themes. The answer is option A, biblical themes. Sixth question, was this the phase that launched 1,000 ships? Is the celebrated line from? Options are Tamburlaine, Dr. Faustus, Edward II, the Spanish tragedy. The answer is option B, Dr. Faustus. Next question, from whom did Bacon borrow the general conception of the essay? From whom did Bacon borrow the general conception of the essay? Options are Seneca, Montaigne, Erasmus. Option D, More. The answer is option B, Montaigne. Next question, who coined the phrase Marlowe's mighty line? Who coined the phrase Marlowe's mighty line? Options are Dr. Samuel Johnson, Sir Philip Sidney, Francis Beaumont, Ben Jonson. The answer is option D, Ben Jonson. Next question, which of the following plays begin with the line, if music be the food of love, play on? The options are The Twelfth Night, As You Like It, Much Ado About Nothing, A Midsummer Night's Dream. If music be the food of love, play on. The answer is option A, Twelfth Night. Next question, who wrote the poem The Retreat? Who wrote the poem The Retreat? Options: George Herbert, Richard Kershaw, Henry Vaughan, Andre Marvell. The answer is option C, Henry Vaughan. The Retreat is written by Henry Vaughan. Next question, who said of Shakespeare, sweetest Shakespeare, fancy's child, warble his native wood nots wild? Options: John Dryden, John Milton, John Keats, John Vanbrugh. The answer is option B, John Milton. Next question, Sir Thomas Browne wrote Religio Medici to defend doctors against the charge of? Options are witchcraft, magic, astrology, atheism. The answer is option D, atheism. Next question, Milton's Areopagitica is a great impassioned treatise on? The options are the evils of monarchy, educational reforms, freedom of the press, the defense of Oliver Cromwell. The answer is freedom of the press. Option C, freedom of the press. Next question, whose diary provides a fascinating glimpse of London from 1660 to 1669? Daniel Defoe, Richard Lovelace, Amelia Lanier, Samuel Pepys? The answer is option D, Samuel Pepys. Next question. Which allegorical work traced the life and journey of Christian from the city of destruction to salvation? The options are Grace Abounding, Profitable Meditations, The Twin Rivals, The Pilgrim's Progress. The answer is option D, The Pilgrim's Progress. Next question. Which mock heroic epic was based on a family quarrel between the Petrus and Firmus? The options are The Dunciad, The Rape of the Lock, Elogia to Ablad, Windsor Forest. The answer is option B, The Rape of the Lock. Next question. In which village did Thomas Gray live with his mother and aunts? Options: Stock Pogus, Kilkenny West, Hertfordshire, Aldburg. The answer is option A, Stock Pogus. Next question. Which work of Wordsworth told the story of the growth of his own mind? The options are The Excursion, Laodamia, Peter Bell, The Prelude. The answer is option D, The Prelude. Next question. Which work of Byron made him an overnight sensation? The options are The Prisoner of Chillon, Don Juan, Childe Harold's Pilgrimage, The Dream. The answer is option C, Childe Harold's Pilgrimage. Next question. Who described Byron's mock epic Don Juan as something wholly new and relative to the age? Options: Shelley, Keats, Coleridge, Southey. The answer is option A, Shelley. Next question. Which play of Shelley predicts humanity's eventual freedom from tyranny? Options are Hellas, The Cenci, Prometheus Unbound, Adonis. The answer is option C, Prometheus Unbound. Which play of Shelley predicts humanity's eventual freedom from tyranny? That is in the play Prometheus Unbound. Next question. Which poem of Keats begin with the line, "A thing of beauty is a joy forever"? A thing of beauty is a joy forever. Options are Endymion, To a Grecian Urn, To a Nightingale, The Eve of St. Agnes. The answer is option A, Endymion. Next question. In which year did William Wordsworth become the poet laureate? Options: 1843, 1839, 1848, 1850. In which year did William Wordsworth become the poet laureate? The answer is option A, 1843. 1843. Next question. Through which work did Mary Wollstonecraft defend the French Revolution? Options are Thoughts on the Education of Daughters, A Vindication of the Rights of Man, A Vindication of the Rights of Women, Mary, a Fiction. The answer is option B, A Vindication of the Rights of Man. Next question. The Lotus Eaters presented a perfect picture of a life of. Options are dreamful ease, harmony, splendor, fantasy. The answer is option A, dreamful ease. Next question. Which quality of Keats impressed Tennyson the most? Options: romanticism, sensuousness, medievalism, imagery. The answer is option B, sensuousness. And what do you mean by sensuousness? It is the quality of relating to the physical senses rather than pleasing the mind or the intelligence. Next question. Which Victorian poet wrote, "God is in his heaven and all is right with the world"? Arnold, Tennyson, Browning, Ruskin. Who said so? The answer is Option C. Browning. Next question. In poems such as Fra Lippo Lippi and Andrea del Sarto, Browning reflects his love for options Greece, Italy, France, and Spain. The answer is option B, Italy. Next question. By which name does Lamb refer to his sister in his essays? Options Mary, Alice, Bridget, Dorothy. The answer is option C, Bridget. Next question. Which English poet defined poetry as a criticism of life? Options Shelley, Arnold, Tennyson, Macaulay. The answer is option B, Arnold. Next question. Which novel by Dickens is written against the background of the French Revolution? The options are A Tale of Two Cities, Hard Times, Nicholas Nickleby, Bleak House. The answer is option A Tale of Two Cities. Next question. Which poet wrote this celebrated line? Knowledge comes, but wisdom lingers. Options are Browning, Tennyson, Arnold, Kipling. The answer is option B, Tennyson. Next question. Which is the best known poem of Edgar Allan Poe? The options are Israfel, The Raven, The Bells, El Dorado. The answer is option B, The Raven. Next question. Whom does Arnold's elegy Thyrsis commemorate? Options Arthur Hugh Clough, Arthur Hallam, Arthur Jeffreys, Arthur King. The answer is option A, Arthur Hugh Clough. Next question. A novel without a hero is the subtitle of options Pamela, Hard Times, Vanity Fair, Moll Flanders. The answer is option C, Vanity Fair. Next question. Which novelist expressed that happiness was but the occasional episode in a general drama of pain? Options are Thomas Hardy, Charles Dickens, Thackeray, George Eliot. The answer is option A, Thomas Hardy. Next question. The phrase Waverley Novels is associated with Henry Fielding, Walter Scott, Henry James, Thomas Hardy. The answer is option B, Walter Scott. Next question. William Blake's later poetry is difficult to understand because it is options metaphysical, mystical, menacing, mental. The answer is option B, mystical. Next question. The famous line, where ignorant armies clash by night, is taken from a poem by options Wilfred Owen, Matthew Arnold, W.H. Auden, Siegfried Sassoon. The answer is option B, Matthew Arnold. Next question. Which play of Oscar Wilde has the subtitle A Trivial Comedy for Serious People? The options are Lady Windermere's Fan, An Ideal Husband, The Importance of Being Earnest, A Woman of No Importance. The answer is option C, The Importance of Being Earnest. Next question. Rupert Brooke, Wilfred Owen, and Siegfried Sassoon are together known as options are war poets, patriotic poets, radical poets, flower poets. The answer is option A, war poets. Next question. Who described himself, my face looks like a wedding cake left out in the rain? Options are Dylan Thomas, Ezra Pound, W.H. Auden, Tom Gunn. The answer is option C, W.H. Auden. Next question. The phrase stream of consciousness was used by Dash in his Principles of Psychology in 1890. Options are Sigmund Freud, William James, C.G. Jung, D.H. Lawrence. Options B, William James is the correct answer. Next question. To a great extent, whose autobiography is Autumn Journal? To a great extent, whose autobiography is Autumn Journal? Options are Jan Martel, Louis Macneice, Andrew Motion, Seamus Heaney. The answer is option B, Louis Macneice. Next question. Which play of Pinter was his first great success? Options are The Love, The Caretaker, The Birthday Party, The Homecoming. The answer is option C, The Birthday Party. Next question. Who found biography a depressed industry and transformed it into a fine art? Options are Bertrand Russell, Lytton Strachey, John Ruskin, James Boswell. The answer is option B, Lytton Strachey. Next question. Whose play teaches no lesson, has no moral, calls for no reform, but depicts truth for its own sake? The options are J.M. Synge, John Galsworthy, G.B. Shaw, Arnold Wesker. The answer is option A, J.M. Synge. Next question. Which poet used all kinds of symbols like rose, falcon, horn, tower, wind, lion, etc.? Options are Ezra Pound, Arthur Symons, W.B. Yeats, Owen. The answer is option C, W.B. Yeats. Next question. Which black preacher, traveler, and novelist wrote the story of a 17-year-old Harlem boy, John Grimes? Options Toni Morrison, James Baldwin, Ralph Ellison, Langston Hughes. The answer is option B, James Baldwin. Next question. What does the term episteme signify? Options knowledge, archive, theology, history. The answer is option A, knowledge. Next question. In Aristotle's Poetics, we read that it is the imitation of an action that is complete and whole and of a certain magnitude, having a beginning, middle, and an end. What is it? Options are poetry, force, epic, tragedy. The answer is option D, tragedy. Next question. Who among the following writers asserted Commonwealth literature does not exist? Options are Amitav Ghosh, V.S. Naipaul, A.K. Ramanujan, Salman Rushdie. The answer is option D, Salman Rushdie. Next question. There is nothing outside the text is a statement by Roland Barthes, Jacques Derrida, Stanley Fish, John Crowe Ransom. The answer is option B, Jacques Derrida. Next question. To refer to the unresolvable difficulties a text may open up, Derrida makes use of the term. Options aporia, difference, erasure, supplement. The answer is option A, aporia. Next question. Heteroglossia refers to options multiple variations of languages and ideas of a text, juxtaposition of multiple voices in text, the comments as the margins of a text, the commentary relating to a text. The answer is option A, multiple variations of language and ideas of a text. Next question. Seamus Heaney was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1995, 1996, 1994, 1998. The answer is option A, 1995. Next question. Which Indian novelist and short story writer is often known as the mouthpiece of the underdog? Options are Mulk Raj Anand, Babani Bhattacharya, Nirad C. Chaudhary, Anita Desai. The answer is option A, Mulk Raj Anand. Next question. Which Indian poet was inspired by Edmund Gosse to choose Indian themes and scenery? Chaman Nahal, Meera Chand, Jayanta Mahapatra, Sarojini Naidu. The answer is option D, Sarojini Naidu. Next question. The method of learning or teaching which is opposed to passively receiving information. The options are the direct method, the structural method, constructivist method, bilingual method. The answer is option C, constructivist method. Next question. Dash is the name given to a variety of language distinguished according to its use. Options are register, dialect, inflection, word order. The answer is option A, register. Next question. The Emperor Jones is a play which can be labeled as options realistic, expressionistic, symbolistic, cubistic. The answer is option B, expressionistic. Next question. Laura in the Glass Menagerie is options a healthy young woman, a sick young woman, a crippled and hypersensitive young woman, a psychopath. The answer is option C, a crippled and hypersensitive young woman. Next question. Which of the following was replaced by communicative language teaching? Options are motivational approach, structural approach, natural language processing, situational approach. The answer is option B, structural approach. Next question. The direct French influence on the English language during the Middle English period was in the form of options loss of inflections, intake of French words into English, addition of inflections, force of word combinations. The answer is option B, intake of French words into English. Next question. Which of the following provided theoretical basis for audiolingual method of language teaching? Options are transformative generative linguistic, cognitive psychology, behaviorist psychology and Bloomfieldian structural linguistics, systemic functional linguistic. The answer is option C, behaviorist psychology and Bloomfieldian structural linguistics. Next question. Which book is often said to inaugurate the subject cultural studies? Options Stuart Hall, Introduction, Raymond Williams, The Politics of Modernism, E.P. Thompson, The Poverty of Theory, Richard Hogarth, The Use of Literacy. The answer is option D, Richard Hogarth, The Uses of Literacy. Next question. Which cultural theorist is of the opinion that cultural studies is a tendency across disciplines? Options Toby Miller, Paul Duke Guy, Janice Radway, Stuart Hall. The answer is option A, Toby Miller. Next question. Whose study states that romances satisfy women's needs that are not met by patriarchy, all the while paradoxically reinforcing it? Options are Nancy Chodorow, Janice Radway, Chandrima Chakrabarti, Mary Leger. The answer is option B, Janice Radway. Next question. Which of the following is not true in Dalit aesthetics as given by Sharan Kumar Limpale? Options are the agony, assertion, resistance and anchor of Dalits should be expressed. Dalits' experience should take precedence over speculation. Sympathy for the Dalits should be generated. Ungrammatical language and different expressions should be used. The answer is option C, sympathy for the Dalits should be generated. Next question, match the following. Straight away I am going to the answers. Let us see. Claude Lévi-Strauss. The answer is option 3, structural anthropology. Next question, Jacques Derrida, that is of grammatology. Northrop Frye, that is anatomy of criticism. Michael Foucault, that is structural anthropology. So here C is the correct answer. Here comes the end of the video. Hope you all learned with me. If you could, please share it among your friends and please drop your suggestions too in the comment box. Thank you.